Okay, now you're gonna set some ribbon key setup to control the foot roll. If you see here, able to control the foot roll using the controller. Alright, so just gonna have some dust. Okay. First, you must have a controller. So you just duplicate the controller over here. Control D and duplicate and bring it to the ankle. Same scheme with the skeleton. So just have to delete the skeleton. Should be fine. Hit delete. So yeah, let's see. Still working fine. Okay. So you're gonna bring this controller so the pivot will match the snap to the ankle, and gonna rename it into R foot control and hit enter. Okay, then you're gonna simply bring the right heel control, the skeleton into the right foot control by dragging it into middle click and drag, so that or we call it parent. Okay, so now whenever we move the control, the skeleton control will follow and also affect the leg, the foot. Okay, next thing is to assign the set ribbon key to the foot roll. I'm sorry, before we should bring the right heel into the R foot control, we need to first freeze the transformation of the controller. and then only we can bring the skeleton control into the right foot control by middle click and drag it under it. Okay, now you're gonna add the attribute here. Since this already have an attribute, so the same thing like the set driven key in the finger, I show you in the finger. So we're gonna have like a minimum value and maximum value. Okay. So let's start. We go to animate, set driven key, and set. I'm gonna load the driver. You're gonna load the driver, and then the driven will be the sorry about that, it's my phone. The driven will join will be in control. Toe control and the right ball control. Okay, so toe control and right ball control, and set alert driven, and the rotation that we involve is rotation Z. So you're gonna set the default value first. Foot roll control rotation Z is normal position is key, default position, and when the foot roll control is, check this first, is 10, and when the foot roll control is 10, the rotation Z would be, select these two, rotation Z would be slightly like this. The control rotation Z is select by all the attribute involved, move the rotation Z, and hit key. So you can see that when foot roll is 10, the position of the key, the leg, the foot will be something like this, and when it's 0, it will be get back to its normal position. And whenever in -10, set the foot roll into a -10. You're gonna rotate the toe, that right ball, and select all the attribute involved, do that and hit key. Now if you close it, you can see that the foot roll already working. The slight problem with the rotation, since we didn't, so you're gonna fix the rotation by hitting the component mode and change the rotation. So change the camera. Okay. Not here, so should be this should be there. Yeah, you're gonna need to do the whole to fix the rotation before we do the set the key thingy, but at least you get the idea on how to do the set the key. So yeah, so this is kind of like it, and there you go. Okay, so that's it.